Awesome. So I'm Charlie from MMG, and we are at InfoComm in Las Vegas 2026, and we've got our MMG Axis on the JB&A stand, and it's running the TriCaster Mini S software, which is powering their podcasting demo. Now I can show you the UI as well of the Axis. We're also doing an SDI decode to our screen here, and we're also encoding the bowling cameras for iMag demos. So we're not running any bridge, and we're not running any audio encode decode, but just to drop something here, we are actually certifying this for Zoom rooms, so you'll be able to take your participants in your Zoom meeting and basically send them out as NDIs, and then you can actually mix them using the SDIs and HDMIs. Other than that, we've also got a new product that's featured on the NDI stand. It's called the MMG D1, and that's being displayed on this. I think that's everything from me. So visit our website at mmgaxis.io to see more.